Sejam bem-vindos. Neste vídeo você vai escutar e ler inglês simultaneamente. Essa prática oferece muitos benefícios, pois melhora a compreensão auditiva e a leitura de forma integrada, ajudando a reconhecer palavras e frases em diferentes contextos. Isso aumenta o vocabulário e melhora a pronúncia, já que você aprende a entonação correta da língua. Também aumenta a concentração e a retenção de informações, tornando o aprendizado mais eficiente. Além disso, é uma forma mais envolvente de estudar, mantendo o processo de aprendizagem mais interessante e eficaz. Este vídeo é perfeito para você que quer treinar seu inglês e aprender valiosas lições sobre desenvolvimento de hábitos. Hoje vamos mergulhar no fascinante livro Hábitos Atômicos, de James Clear. Antes de começarmos, não se esqueça de se inscrever no canal e curtir o vídeo para receber mais conteúdo como este. Agora, sem mais delongas, vamos começar, em 3 segundos.
Summary of Atomic Habits by James Clear. Introduction. Atomic Habits by James Clear is a guide to understanding how small, incremental changes can lead to significant improvements over time. The core idea is that habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Clear provides a framework for understanding how habits are formed and how they can be altered. The power of tiny habits. James Clear emphasizes the importance of small habits. He argues that making tiny changes, even if they seem insignificant at first, can compound over time to produce remarkable results. This concept is akin to the idea of compound interest in finance, where small, consistent investments grow into substantial sums. The 4 laws of behavior change. Clear introduces the 4 laws of behavior change, which are essential for forming good habits and breaking bad ones. 1. Make it obvious. The first law is about making the cues of your good habits obvious and visible. 2. Make it attractive. The second law focuses on making habits appealing. Clear discusses the role of dopamine in habit formation and how to make new habits more enticing. 3. Make it easy. The third law emphasizes reducing the friction of starting a new habit. The easier a habit is to start, the more likely you are to follow through. 4. Make it satisfying. The fourth law revolves around rewarding yourself. Positive reinforcement helps in making habits stick. The 1% improvement rule. Clear introduces the concept of aiming for a 1% improvement each day. Although 1% might seem negligible, it compounds over time, leading to significant transformation. This idea is particularly motivating because it makes big goals feel achievable through small, daily improvements. Identity-based habits. One of the unique approaches in Atomic Habits is focusing on identity rather than outcomes. Clear argues that the key to building lasting habits is to focus on becoming the type of person who performs those habits. For instance, instead of setting a goal to read a book, identify as a reader. This shift in mindset helps in creating a stronger, more resilient habit loop. Habit stacking. Clear introduces the technique of habit stacking, which involves linking a new habit to an existing one. By using an established habit as a trigger, you can create a new habit more easily. For example, after brushing your teeth in the morning, you could immediately do 10 push-ups. The habit loop. The habit loop consists of 4 stages: cue, craving, response, and reward. Understanding this loop helps in both forming new habits and breaking old ones. Clear provides detailed strategies for each stage to help readers master the art of habit formation. Environment design. The book highlights the importance of environment design in shaping habits. Clear suggests that by altering your environment, you can make good habits more obvious and bad habits more difficult. This might include placing a book by your bed to encourage reading or removing junk food from your house to avoid unhealthy eating. Breaking bad habits. Clear also offers practical advice for breaking bad habits. This involves identifying the triggers and cues for bad habits and then replacing them with healthier alternatives. Additionally, he stresses the importance of designing your environment to support your goals. Consistency and patience. A recurring theme in Atomic Habits is the need for consistency and patience. Clear explains that while the results of new habits might not be immediately visible, persistence is crucial. Over time, the compounding effect of small changes leads to significant outcomes. Practical examples. The book is filled with practical examples and real-life stories. These examples illustrate how people have successfully applied the principles of atomic habits to achieve their goals, whether it's in business, sports, or personal development. Conclusion. Atomic Habits provides a comprehensive framework for understanding and improving habits. By focusing on small, incremental changes and using the 4 laws of behavior change, anyone can develop good habits and break bad ones. The key is to be consistent, patient, and to continually make small improvements.
Obrigado por assistir a este vídeo e praticar seu inglês conosco. Se você achou este conteúdo útil, não esqueça de curtir o vídeo. E se quiser ver mais vídeos com este, se inscreva no canal e ative o sininho. Interaja com a gente, escreva nos comentários se você tiver alguma sugestão para vídeos futuros, ou o que você achou mais interessante sobre o resumo do livro, Hábitos Atômicos. Se você se interessou pelo livro, considere comprá-lo através do link na descrição, contando com toda a credibilidade da Amazon. Nos ajude a continuar produzindo conteúdo de qualidade para você. E lembre-se, praticar regularmente é a chave para dominar um novo idioma. Ao ouvir e ler simultaneamente, você está melhorando sua compreensão e retenção. Continue praticando e nos vemos no próximo vídeo.